Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited to offer this first time offering of writing from prompts in community. We will be doing some timed writings and some short ones, and then a little bit longer. We will then share our invite. We'll be invite. I'll invite you to share your writing. We'll be listening for what are the strengths of each other's writing and what worked. It's not a craft class. We're not critiquing. This is to encourage us to write and to enjoy writing and get a feel for the joy of this art. We um, the class will be no more than 10, and even smaller is a little better because then we could have more writing sessions and share more. I have enjoyed doing this kind of thing over the years. I have a background in writing, but there is no public affairs. And I've audited classes in the MFA program at George Mason University and done writer center type of things, essays, poems, etc. But the premise of this class is we're all writers. There is no experience required. Everybody was born able to do this art form. So I look forward to meeting many of you, and I know myself, I've just enjoyed what can happen when we're in a group and we do extended writing, and we don't know what's going to happen. Maybe you're working on a project, but maybe you just want to see what shows up on the page. So till the fall, thank you.